In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page on Squarespace. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open up Squarespace and make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your home page. This is your starting point for creating and managing your website. Next, look towards the top right corner of the home page. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on that, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select your website. This will take you to your website's management area where you can make changes and add new pages. Once you're viewing your website management screen, direct your attention to the left-hand menu and click on Pages. This is where you'll organize the various pages that make up your site. Here, you'll notice different sections that organize your pages, such as Main Navigation and Not Linked. For the purpose of creating a landing page, navigate to the Not Linked section. This area is ideal because it allows you to create pages that aren't automatically added to your site's main navigation, giving you the flexibility to control how visitors find them. In this section, click on the plus icon to add a new page. A list of template options will appear, but for a clean and customized design, choose the blank page template. This will give you a fresh canvas to work with. After your new blank page appears, look for a small settings icon next to it. This usually resembles a gear or a wrench. Click on this settings icon to open the page settings. In these settings, you'll need to enter the title of your landing page. This is an important step as the title helps you identify the page and can play a role in search engine optimization if you decide to use it as a public-facing page. Make sure the title is clear and reflects the purpose of your landing page. If you're planning to use this landing page as the main entry point for your visitors, as the first page they see when they visit your site, you have the option to set it as your home page. To do this, simply scroll down within the page settings until you find the option that says Set as Home Page. Click on it, and Squarespace will prompt you to confirm this decision. Make sure you're certain about this choice, as it changes the initial experience for your visitors. Once you confirm, your new landing page is set as the home page. And there you go. With just a few clicks, you've created a brand new landing page on Squarespace. Now you can customize it further to suit your specific needs, whether that's adding text, images, or forms to capture visitor information. I hope this guide has been helpful. Happy building!